Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Uh, this video is about Arjun, which is a HTTP parameter discovery sheet, and we will use this to find security issues in web application that can help us to find query parameters for URL endpoints. Generally, query parameters are used by attacker to hunt various vulnerabilities. We will do security assessment and find security vulnerabilities in web applications. During bug bounty hunting also, we need to find various query parameters. For example, to hunt for cross-site scripting, SQL injection, LFI, RFI, etc. So with the help of Arjun, we will understand what type of parameter is vulnerable. After finding the vulnerable parameter, we can try payloads on those parameters. We can install Arjun by using pip3 command. I hope you can see my screen. This is Arjun and this is the GitHub repository. We can just git clone and clone this and then follow this instruction. You can see we can cd to that folder, after that python3 setup.py and then install, or we can also do pip3 and then install Arjun. So let me open a new tab and we can do pip3 install Arjun. Press enter and it will I have actually already installed Arjun. Let it install in the background. I will show you the tab. First, I am actually running a vulnerable web application called Metasploitable2. I will use Arjun in that. It's running in this interface, VirtualBox, with the IP address 192.168, and I did a nmap host discovery ping sweep, and this is the IP address, local private IP address where Metasploitable2 machine is running. I have also Arjun is installed. You can see pip install, pip3 install Arjun. Now I have installed. Earlier I also used Arjun to find parameters in Mutilide, and it's 2.1.41. as you can see the result. There are a lot of endpoints like GRP, PT, vector HTTPS and stuff like that. And we can type ARJUN -H for help after installing this. So these are different options that we can use with Arjun, like -U for a target URL, and then -H that I use for to show this help message and then exit. We can use a thread, we can use delay based different web application. And now actually we will I already scanned this vulnerable web application called Mutilide, and it's running in Metasploitable2. So now I will test another web application running in Mutilide2, that is PHP myadmin, and now I will use Arjun view option, scan the target URL and then paste this URL. Now Arjun is checking, and you can see 12 parameters found: input, username, PHP. Then it's like doing logic forcing the URL endpoints. So let it scan, and we will also use test.vulnhub, which is a vulnerable web application, but actually that's why I tested Arjun in this vulnerable web application, which is hosted in my locally I have hosted in a virtual environment. I will also test and see if Arjun can find any vulnerable parameter in this vulnerable web application. Let's go. It takes time, just you have to wait. So here in my scan, it's still doing searching for endpoints in this PHP. So let me open, or I will just search this web application, test php.vulnweb.com, Arjun -u, and then I will test this web application. Let's see if there are some parameters that we can test. So now you can see here this scanner, heuristic scanner, found two parameters, go button and search for. So I can see this is search field, and then there is a go button. These are the two parameters, and we can actually try different payloads in these two parameters, and it says go button parameter and search for parameter. These are factor is parameter name reflection. So there can be a possible cross-site scripting vulnerability in search for and go button. This way we can actually try to find vulnerabilities in those endpoints in this parameter. So I will just search. I'll do a script actually. Script. This is the script I have used to alert. This is the basic cross-site scripting script to alert, and as you can see, we got an alert. That means this application is vulnerable to cross-site scripting, and through by using Arjun, I was able to find those parameters. Similarly, in test.php also, Arjun is scanning at this point. I think it's still scanning in this, or it started. I think, yeah, it will take some time. Just do your use Arjun and let me know in the comments if you can find any vulnerable parameter in if you run PHP myadmin using Metasploitable 2. So I will come up with more videos related to web application vulnerability, finding vulnerability and security issues like bug bounty hunting. So please subscribe to my channel, and I will come up with more videos. If you like this video and found it informative, then please like the video as well. So thanks for watching.